No, only one. Only one.
Royal sa ano?
Letter M.
404, di ba? Sa Royal sa
At letter?
para buong sa Royal sa
M. Oh, you follow the line. M. What's next? What's next? I. What's next? R. Oh, what's next to R? E. What's next? Y. Oh, what's next to Y? E. Oh, what's that? Mireya. Mireya. Oh, next is J. Ay, paso na. That, ano? Gusto mo yan? O sige. You want the small one? Okay. Hindi ganyan magsulat. Look at mama. You hold your pen like this, oh. Look at mama's hand, oh. Like this, oh. Tagay na kamay mo. Ano, no? Only one. Lola, oh. Lola, oh. Isa lang. Bawal kasi dalawang pag nagsusulat ka isa lang. O, hold lang, open. O. You hold this one, like this. Like, look at mama's hand. O, ganun, o. Ganun. Yan. Yan. Ganito, o. No, like that. Hold it like that. O, you close your hands lang. Close mo yan. Close yan, close. Close na. Ewan ko sa'yo, kulit mo. Wala ka lang paano mo sumuhawakan. Close this. Yan. Ang kulit ng kamay ko. Yan, ganyan. Yan, ganyan. Bala ka na nga. J. Oh, no. Letter J na tayo, J. J. E. A. N. Oh, how do you read this one? Jean. Say Jean. 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 Ay. The B. Oh, what's next with B? What's next? Ayaw mo na apelido mo. Ayaw mo apelido mo. You have your surname. So, papalitan natin ang apelido mo. Ha? Dito. Dito. Oh, P. What's next to P? P again. P again. P. What's next to P? A. What's next? Yes. What's next? C. Next. U. Okay. Next. Next. The L. L yan. Small L. What's your name? Mireya. Jean. V. Pascual. What's your name? What's your name muna? Ayaw, di ba? Bala ka na.